Very good afternoon, students. So today we will continue the same chapter, that is chapter 10, time. So in this, today's our topic is days of a week. So before doing this, what happened? Navid lived in Mumbai and he is going to Goa by train on vacation with his family. While making a travel journey, what happened? Father told him that the journey is the journey will take around half the day. So half the day, the boy started thinking, Navid, so what do you mean by half a day? So for this he must know that how a day has been formed. So we also know that 24-hour time periods is called a day, or 24-hour period is called a day. As why it is so? Because the earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation on its axis. Axis means what? One line is passing through, and you must have seen the globe, yes or no? So the rotation, to take one rotation, to move one rotation, it moves very slowly. The earth is moving very slowly, and it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. So that forms a day. Okay, so here do you know, students, that 24 hours period from midnight to the next midnight is called the solar day. This is called the solar day, and in our daily life we use solar time. So as I told you, a day, the 24-hour periods from the midnight to the next midnight is called a day. Midnight, that means from the 12 midnight at night, when the 12 o'clock is there, from that to the next day 12 midnight. Okay, so that is called a day. Or you can say that any 24 hours make a day. That means from, if you are counting if you are taking 2 hours from 2 o'clock from today 2 o'clock to the tomorrow's 2 o'clock, it will form one day. Okay, that means 24 hours from 2 to next 2. Okay, so that forms a one day. Here, when Navid asked his father how many hours are there in a day, he comes to know that 24 hours in a one day. So half a day, that means that is 12 hours. 12 hours makes a half day. That's why we called it midday, as we have discussed earlier also. Yes or no? Mid of the day, that is 12 noon. That is the half of a day. Okay. So students, we have already do that there are 7 days in a week. That is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Yes or no? So did you know that Saturday and Sunday are also called the weekends? Are also called the weekends days. Weekend days. That is your Saturday and Sunday. And for that fortnight means what? Do you know? Fortnight means a period of 14 nights. 14 nights means 14 days also you can say. 14 nights. Then 7 night. 10 night. 10 night means a period of 7 nights. Okay, a period of 7 nights. So this thing you have to write in your notebook. Now we will see next topic, that is yesterday, today and tomorrow. So what do you mean by today, yesterday, today and tomorrow? Here any present day is known as today. Okay, as you are watching video today, that means I will send this video on Friday. That means today is Friday, and what written, the day just before today is known as yesterday. If today is Friday, what was yesterday? That means day before yesterday. What was yesterday? Day before today, or day before present day was yesterday, is known as yesterday, and yesterday it was Thursday. Then the day just after today is called tomorrow. That means upcoming day. That is upcoming day. Today is Friday, so what will be the tomorrow? What will be the day coming next day? So that is your upcoming day is known as your tomorrow. Okay. If, and as I said that if present day is Friday, that is known as today. The day before is known as your yesterday, and it was Thursday. Yesterday was a Thursday. Okay, yesterday was Thursday. Then tomorrow, if it has been asked, then tomorrow, the day after or upcoming day, that is your Saturday. Okay. So related to this, you have to solve the exercise, that is practice question and exercise, which is exercise 10D. So try to solve all the questions given there. Okay students, all the best to you all. Thank you.